Welcome to this stress relief and anxiety reduction session. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Soften your shoulders, rest your hands, and close your eyes if that's comfortable. Allow the pace of your day to slow. This is your time to ease the mind and relax the body. So take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose and exhale with a soft sigh. Now turn your focus to your breathing. Notice how each inhale expands your ribs and each exhale settles you into stillness. So let each breath become a little slower and a bit softer. As you inhale, invite in calm, and as you exhale, release any tension. So continue at a steady, soothing pace. Whilst I'm quiet for a moment. Now draw your attention to the top of your head. Feel the gentle sensation of your scalp. Your forehead. And your temples. Your eyebrows loosen. Your eyelids rest easily. Now move your awareness down to your cheeks and jaw. Just soften them, letting any tension just slip away. Notice the back of your head resting against whatever surface supports you. Now shift your focus to your neck and shoulders. Visualize any stress melting down and away. Your shoulders gently drop as you exhale. Now, feel your arms, your elbows, wrists and hands, and each finger. If you sense tightness, allow a warm wave of relaxation to ease that area. So continue down to your chest and your belly. Sense each breath expanding your torso and then releasing. Allow your belly to be soft and free. And finally, bring your attention to your legs, knees, ankles, and your feet. Feel the contact points with the floor, or the chair, or the bed. Invite them to fully let go. Now, imagine yourself in a tranquil setting. Perhaps it's a sunny beach, a calm forest, or even a quiet garden. So see the colors, feel the temperature, notice the gentle sounds around you. If it's a beach, hear the soft waves lapping at the shore. If it's a forest, sense the breeze rustling through the leaves. Just let the scene fill your senses, bringing a sense of deep calm. In this safe place, you feel fully at peace. All worries or anxieties just drift away. Almost like clouds passing in the sky. So let yourself just rest here, soaking up serenity. As you breathe in, gather any stress or tension from within your body. And as you breathe out, imagine that stress leaving you, carried away by the wind or the water in your peaceful space. Feel your muscles grow even lighter. Feel your mind settle. Noticing how each exhale removes another layer of worry. You are safe. You are calm. You are here. If any anxious thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment. Just picture them dissolving in the gentle air around you. They can come and they can go, just like passing clouds. So place a hand over your heart if you wish, or simply keep it at your side. Breathe in the peace of this moment. Let it fill you. And exhale and sense a protective, soothing aura forming all around you. Recognize your strength in creating calm within yourself. Carry this feeling of safety and relaxation forward with you. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the space you're in. Notice any background sounds or sensations around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes now, gently reconnecting with your surroundings. Allow your eyes to blink open if they were closed. Take a moment to notice how your body and mind feel. And let gratitude arise for this time that you've given yourself. So inhale softly, filling up with calm, and exhale gently, releasing any final traces of stress. Good. Know that you can revisit this state of peace whenever you wish, just by centering your breath and letting your mind relax. Good work today, and namaste.